Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a brand new Sea Ray 320 Sundancer with outboards. Starting here off the transom, we have the V10 350s from Mercury in white. Sea deck on the swim platform. Storage compartment in the aft here. Moving forward into the boat. We also have the sea deck in gray all the way up to the bow area. Cockpit color is stone. We have the retractable sunshade option on this boat. Cockpit grill with refrigerator. We have the cockpit air conditioning option as well. Moving forward, two 12-inch sim rods on the dash. Your Mercury joystick piloting. Spotlight. Trim tabs. Fusion stereo. All your switching. We have the full glass front option. Half glass on the sides with isinglass. Moving into the cabin. Very spacious cabin, sleeps 4 people. We have a refrigerator and a microwave down here. Storage below. A high-low table with a filler cushion. We have the TV in the V-berth. Very nice wet head. Plenty of headroom in here with a sink, vacuum push head. Moving into the aft cabin. We have 2 single beds that convert into 1 full bed. Easy access up to the bow. Plenty of seating for 3 people. We have the bow table option along with the bow shade and access to your windlass. Give us a call at MarineMax in Huntington, 631-956-4865. Thank you.